how to insert page break in Microsoft Word in two ways. For my example, I create page break here in my document. So first, you need to select the word you start the page break. So for my example, I start here in Richard Kabili. After you set the page break starting, here in page menu on the upper left side on your screen, select insert. And now here in insert section or page, you can see here the page break. You can click this and now your document is successfully create page break. Another one to create page break on your document. So select again the page you want to start the page breaking. Okay, here in Richard Kabili. And after you select the page you want to start the page breaking, okay, go to page menu on the upper left side on your screen and go to layout. Click layout. Here in layout, you can see the breaks. You can click this and you can see the page here. Okay, you can click the page to create a page break in your document. We have successfully insert page break in Microsoft Word.